Hi, George Spanske, Flooring Resources, Elk Grove Village, Illinois.
How much do you love Measure Square?
I'm sorry?
How much do you love Measure Square, George?
Oh, how much do I love Measure Square? I took Measure Square on a number of years ago because we used another estimating system that really was antiquated. It was brought to us, and this guy here came over,
Hey, folks.
and showed us exactly how it worked, and it was a great innovation for us. We have about nine estimators in our system, and he came to our shop, trained us, also answered all the questions we had, and it was just an amazing time. So we've now produced more prints faster because of this, and any technical glitches or anything that we thought there was, they're a phone call away, and they immediately answer our questions and help us out or find out what the situation is.